What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got her up, shorty, dripping that squishy to you. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her up, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her up, shorty ain't tripping, she got her ghost. Shorty, she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with my #1 favorite hair company, which is Unice. You guys already know this. I received a pre-everything bye-bye knots 13x4 Jerry curly reddish brown curly wig, y'all. This wig is glueless. Hold on. This wig is glueless, y'all. Glueless. Everything comes done. The wigs, in the beginning, you will see that the wig come with 2 air tabs. Wig comes already bleached. Wig comes already, well, you don't really have to bleach colored hair, but wig come already plucked and all that good stuff. I didn't pluck this wig not one time, y'all. This hair is straight out the packaging. You guys are gonna see, y'all, this hair is bomb. You guys already know, like I said, I always recommend Unice wigs. Something about this curl pattern is just amazing. Something about this curl pattern is just amazing and fire. I didn't add no water, no product to this hair, y'all. I didn't add nothing to this hair, and the hair is giving, y'all. This hair is fire. Like I said, this is a pre-everything wig. You don't have to do much. This wig is beginner friendly. Everything comes already done for you. I just love how they make life so easier now. But the same exact wig will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, on the road to 70K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.